Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We are at the completion of our remodel job. This happens to be in the hills of Oakland. This has been about approximately 5-month project, but this house was completely gutted. New electrical, new plumbing, new bathrooms, new walls, everything sheetrock textured. Probably have about 90 different recessed lights in here. All new hardwood floors, stone fireplaces. We'll let you see. So that's the new front door. We have a beautiful medallion that's inlaid into the hardwood floor. These are genuine oak hardwood floors. And we'll give you a tour in here. This is the family room, living room with dramatic San Francisco Bay views. There's the city, San Francisco in the background, the Bay Bridge. This is a beautiful stone fireplace, stack stone. And you can see the rocks in here. This is a full remote control fireplace with gas in it. Very, very cool. Pretty much heat this whole top floor. And also fantastic for ambiance. We've got nice travertine. You can see the beautiful stone here. Look at the views over here. We opened up the wall here, put in a peekaboo window here to open up the space, but still provide a little bit of zoning into the kitchen. And we've got beautiful black wrought iron railings with matching oak hardwood caps. Same thing with the stairs going down. All new raised panel doors. We've got designer lighting in here. You can see the recessed lighting. All the recessed lighting, let's see if I'm hitting the right one. I'll show you this one over here. They're all on dimmers. So everything we put in, we pretty much use dimmers. We put in corresponding matching floor grates, so no metal grates sticking up. This happens to be sliding doors. This is pantry space inside of here. New thermostat. What other interesting things do we have here? Of course, complimentary lights there. We put in this nice archway here to provide more depth when you enter the house. Now you are looking out through the open space and you can see spatially how that cutout we put in there with a nice arch really opens up this house visually and gives it a lot more space, and it's a pretty neat architectural detail. Now let's go into the kitchen. This has all, of course, brand new appliances, brand new countertops, beautiful all wood cabinets with European hinges. This happens to be a quartz countertop. This is a designer series dishwasher, complimentary fridge. Over here, brand new stove, quasi-commercial grade. What we chose to do in this house is take the same counter material and bring it up on the backsplash on the walls and up all the way behind the hood. So now the hood has got a full accent over here too, with the same countertop material, and this makes for a very, very nice effect over here. Oops, I gotta figure out which button I pushed here to get the fan to go off. But let's see. So now you can look at this room from this view, and you can see the beautiful fireplace. And we're looking down at a brand new deck that was put on. This is a waterproof deck over living space. Beautiful glass railings, acts as a windscreen, keeps a nice open look and feel, and it's got powder coated aluminum railings. We specialize in doing, of course, these types of projects all over the Bay Area. We've got the same counter material as a cap into the room there, a nice little accent piece. Oh, and here's kind of the fun part, looking out from the kitchen. Again, this is kind of nice. You can see the people, interact with them. Looks down over the stairs here, kind of a pretty neat detail. What else can I show you in the cabinets? These cabinets have all European hinges in here. We've got under cabinet lights. You can see this here. It's on a separate switch. Recessed lighting for the main body of the lights throughout here. And nice stainless steel hood. What else can I show you here in the kitchen? So you'd have to have seen the original kitchen design, but you can see this nice wraparound counter gives a really nice effect. And this is really kind of going to be more of a bar area here. And this is for the kitchen and the prep area. Oh, here's the unique thing. As opposed to looking at those lovely, ugly microwave ovens built into a shelf in the cabinets, on this one, we work with the owner to get a pull-out drawer microwave oven. Pretty slick. We're putting in more and more of these. They look a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. You don't even really know it's there unless you're hunting for it. Easy access. You can see what you put in the drawer from the top. We have a nice big sink. Everybody's got different opinion on sinks, but I'd say a trend is the bigger, deeper, open sinks. And we like the sinks that have the complementary cutting boards and racks that sit in the opening, which is pretty nice. So this sits right on top, and we've got an air switch here for the disposal. So that's real nice, gets rid of the switch or having to reach underneath. Now, if we come down here, we can go into the bedrooms. We chose to use a little different color scheme in the bedroom. Won't tell you our secret colors, but we use bright white on the crown molding, the ceilings, and on the baseboard, and on the doors, and have this lovely color that's in here. I believe this is San Francisco fog. And in here, you're looking at a house, by the way, that has Swiss coffee and bone. So it's bone on the walls, Swiss coffee on the trim, and on the crown molding. So it's got a real nice, pleasing effect. It's light, it's modern, pleases most eyes. So we have 4 bathrooms that were redone. And what you're looking at, by the way, is bedroom here, bathroom over here. This bathroom chose to do, why is this light off here? I think I have to turn one of these switches on here. There's too many switches. Oh, it's on an occupancy or vacancy sensor. That's why it goes off by itself the way it's supposed to. So we've got a separate switch for the vanity light, separate switch for what I call the main lighting, and a separate switch over the shower. Beautiful tile that's in here, all wood cabinets in here. We decided to keep it a little lighter look. This is a cultured marble surface, and you can see it's solid surface. The same material comes down into the bowl, and it is very, very easy to keep clean. Has a nice, clean, modern look, and more people are going with this style of a bathroom. You can see the integrated rear splash and the side piece here, and it's a lot easier to keep clean than other surfaces where you have a top mount or an under mount sink where you get that nasty grunge line over time. No, the toilet doesn't come that way. We do that so when the owners get it, they know it's a new toilet. You got nice, beautiful, thick custom glass shower doors with pull knobs built in. This is thicker glass. I believe this is the 3/8 inch glass. Same thing, we've got the same complementary cultured granite inside here. Up on the sill, the pan is out of the same material, which is all nice. Gets rid of all the grout line issues. We've got a built-in soap niche over there, shampoo and the likes. We've got a nice growy water fixture. Everybody's got different idea of what they like, but we've come to like this. Got a big rain shower head up there. You've got a slide bar, and one of these is the water, and the other one switches it between the wand and the overhead rain shower head. So very, very nice fixture, and that's a nice look at one of the bathrooms in here. And if we go down into one of the other bedrooms, you can kind of see a lot of the similar finishes. Here's another bathroom, and different color, but again, the cultured granite on the countertops, cultured granite in the actual shower stall. Notice how we brought the material all the way up to the ceiling. Not only does it make the bathroom feel bigger, but it also gets rid of that kind of moldy grunge line that you frequently see at the top of showers and tubs. So we generally have a preference to bring our tile or solid surface material all the way up. There's a built-in niche in this case as opposed to a corner one. We've got nice, beautiful, quiet Panasonic fans. All of this is on dimmers. I've got a nice, beautiful custom light fixture there, medicine cabinet. You'll see these hanging out in 3 or 4 places. What we did is we pre-wired the house. These are all the low voltage cables that home run back to the garage, so you can hook up all your audio visual equipment, Comcast, all that stuff. If you notice, we had one out in the front room here. I don't know if we took a walk down here yet, but there's the wire there. I think we did speak about the nice fireplace, the fieldstone, gas fireplace, nice beautiful views there. Now, this is a deceptively large house. You can see the complimentary oak handrails that we have going down here. And let's walk down here. We've got another fireplace down here. Another one of those magic low voltage cable contraptions coming out. And that's a gas fireplace that has remote control. Beautiful baseboard, crown molding put in throughout the house. You can see what the nice railings look like down here, the handrails. All brand new oak hardwood floors, raised panel doors throughout the house. Oh, another hidden bathroom. Tile, of course. The cultured granite in the bathroom itself. We use the same growy shower fixtures in all the bathrooms. All the nice wall hardware. This was a pretty ugly, kind of dark, grungy utility room in the back. We cleaned this whole thing up, put washer and dryer back here, wrapped the ducts in nice foil, and if you saw the before pictures, you'd appreciate how nice it is now, but owners wanted to choose to kind of leave this space just cleaned up and think about if they want to finish it out in some different ways, but at least it's cleaned up, usable, and they've got a nice clean laundry room back here, new water heater servicing the whole house. And let's leave the waterproof deck, I guess. Well, we'll go out here right now. We'll take a look. So this was living space down below. This is a waterproof deck using our Duradeck system, powder-coated aluminum railings with 1/4-inch tempered glass. And this provides a beautiful windscreen, yet keeps the look and feel wide open. We have the beautiful San Francisco Bay we're looking at over here. This is just a gorgeous, gorgeous deck that will be enjoyed for many, many years to come. This is a rampway. You can see how we kind of transition the deck in here, coming down, and it hits this flat area here, and you can go down the side stairs or up the left. But if we come over here, you'll see the nice, beautiful glass railing. Look at those views. This is actually a huge deck, about 10, 20, 30, I don't know, it's a good 1,000, 11, 1,200 square feet, the deck. And if you're sitting out here at the edge, you can get, there we are, dead on, San Francisco Bay. So beautiful, beautiful deck, put in all new long life siding in here. This happens to be the LP Smart siding that we chose to put in. We've got exterior lighting, all new windows in the house. Let's see, what else can I show you? Oh, okay, so here's an interesting one. We were able to basically convert, if you will, an unused basement. This was the beginning of the dungeon, but you can see it now. It's all part of the finished space. Nice designer light fixtures. Put the same hardwood on the shelf up here. There's a spotlight shining over here. We come down the stairs, and you now have all beautiful oak hardwood floors throughout. And we come down here, we've got a whole nother living unit, so to speak, down here, because you have a shower, full bathroom, cultured granite, beautiful toilet, nice custom sliding glass shower door, beautiful setup, hardwood floor. There's the lovely hardwire for all the cables and the likes. And beautiful sliding glass closet doors with corresponding brushed nickel finish in this case, crown molding, baseboard molding. So you can see we've gone to quite a bit of effort here, redoing extensively this whole house. It was pretty much gutted, and there's a lot of detail and work and time and expense that has gone into redoing this whole house, but it's pretty much as good as new. And the interior and we repainted the whole exterior, replaced siding, and I think that gives you a pretty good tour of our brand new remodel on this house job in the Oakland Hills. So if you want a very experienced general contractor that can do interior remodels, whether it's a full house interior, a bathroom, a kitchen, or an addition as part of it all, give us a call. We do great work, easy to work with. Any of our customers be happy to speak with you and tell you great things about working with us and the effort and care that we take in doing these projects. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another beautiful remodel project, and you can find us at bayareacontractor.com, and the company is Golden Gate Enterprises. Thank you.